So our next step here is going to be to install Entity Framework. So instead of going to the NuGet Package Manager, we're actually going to go to a console. So under Tools and NuGet Package Manager, we're going to run the Package Manager console. And for those of you who like command line, you'll probably like this better. What we're going to do is key in install dash package, and then the package is Entity Framework. And we're going to press enter. Okay, so now it is installed. So after installing, you do want to run a build. So basically your project now knows that it's there. And we'll save everything.